let's do the one more LeetCode question. This one is about the merge strings alternatively. So what is being requested is the combine the words each character alternatively. So it's gonna be A, P, B, Q, C, R. So in order to do that, we can calculate the max len. So it's going to be the word one length, and then plus word 2 length. So this is the max length we have. So what I'll be doing, I will be creating a result string and then returning that result. So goal is doing a for loop for let I equals to 0, I is smaller than max len I plus plus. So what I will be doing, I will be checking if the current one is smaller than the other one, and so on. So if I is smaller than word I word one dot length, if I can spell it right, then if that is the case, result plus equals word one, not one, of course, I, and then I'll be doing one more, and it's going to be word 2. So basically it's adding, it's gonna go to till end of it, and it's going to add it if they are positive. Okay, so let's run the code. I did a spelling here, it should echo. Okay, it's passing this. Let's see if it's going to pass the other test. Yes, beats 98% of it. Thank you all.